A very good morning, my dear students. Myself, Bindu Madhavi. So, today we are going to start a new and an interesting topic. Before we directly go into the topic, let us discuss a small daily life situation. For example, imagine there are two friends who are talking to each other. Their conversation was like one of the friend asks the other friend, "Hey dude, what's the matter? Why are you sad?" Here we have used the word matter. So, in our daily life, when we converse or when we talk to others, we generally use the word matter. But in science, the word matter has a different meaning. Now, what does matter mean in science? Yes, anything that has mass and occupies space is called as matter. So, if you observe, the key terms here are mass and space, which is nothing but volume. For example, imagine I have taken a bottle. So, obviously, a bottle will have some amount of weight. It may be in grams or in kg. So, if you place this bottle on a table, it obviously will occupy space. So, bottle can be called as a matter as it is having mass as well as space. Similarly, we have many other examples which can be called as matter, like table, chair, mobile, bag, blackboard, small chalk piece, and even a pencil, etc. So, simply, a matter is nothing but mass as well as space. So, it should have mass and it should occupy space. So, I hope you understood what is matter, right? Now, let us see a slide where you can clearly see the definition of matter. Yes, here we go. As you can see here, the slide says what is matter. So, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, which is nothing but volume. Now, the next question that arises in our mind is what is matter made up of? As we have known the definition of matter, now very important thing we need to know is what does matter contain? Yes, matter contains very small or tiny particles known as atoms. Now, from our childhood, we have been studying that there are different states of matter, that is, solids, liquids, and gases, as you can see in the slide. And these solids, liquids, and gases have different characteristics. So, I hope you have understood what is a matter. Very good. Now, moving on to the next topic. Now, the next topic is how is matter classified? Yeah. So, as we have known the definition of matter, we will quickly go into the next topic, that is classification of matter. So, matter is classified or simply divided into two types, pure substance and mixture. I repeat, matter is classified into two types, that is, pure substance and mixture. Again, now we have got the word pure substance, which we also use in our daily life. For example, if your mother asks to bring a pure milk or pure oil, what does she mean by the word pure here? Yes, you are correct. She means that pure milk in the sense without any impurities or without any dust particles. But in science, what is pure? Yes, pure has a different meaning in science. That is, if I give you a gold biscuit and I ask you whether the gold biscuit given to you is pure or not, what would you do? You need to take any two parts from this pure substance, that is gold biscuit, and test it separately. To your surprise, you will find that any two different parts from the same gold biscuit will have identical or same properties, which simply means that a pure substance is made up of same kind of particles. That is the reason, even though you are taking two different parts from the same pure substance, you can see that the particles they are made up of is identical. So, in simpler words, in science, pure substance means the substance which is made up of same kind of particles. We can take the example diamond also. Clear? So, now we are going to see the definition of pure substance and let us understand pure substance clearly. I hope you can see this. So this is the total classification of matter if you can see. Yeah. So here we go. Matter which is classified into pure substance and mixture. So pure substance is again classified into element and compound, whereas mixture is again classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, which we are going to learn in our next class. But for now, we will clearly understand pure substance and then a mixture. Right? Good. Moving on. So here we go. We have the clear definition of pure substance. Pure substance in chemistry are a classification of matter. As we have discussed, pure substance is one of the classification from matter. Okay, and what is this speciality is? It is made up of same type of atoms or same molecules and they are same ionically bonded elements. So simply we can say that it is made up of same type of particles. So atoms, molecules, everything come under simply particles. So as you can see, salt, pure water, diamond, and we have discussed gold biscuits. So all these are pure substances, which means all these will have same type of particles and they also exhibit same properties. I hope you have got a clear idea on what is a pure substance. So obviously we are going to the next topic, that is mixture. Right. So this word mixture is very familiar to us. Now, what is a mixture? Yeah. For example, if you go for a function which we are very fond of, so we come across salad where you find different types of vegetables which are chopped or cut into different designs. So there you can see chopped pieces of cucumber, then onion, then also carrot, beetroot and all, right? So here this is also a mixture and this mixture we can separate it. For example, if you like cucumber, you will take a piece of cucumber and you will have it, right? So this is also a mixture of different vegetables, but here you can separate or pick the desired vegetable which you want. Similarly, if you go for a fruit salad or a fruit ice cream. So all these are mixtures which are physically combined and they can also be separated. And note the point here, that is they are not chemically combined. So, so this is the general example of mixture where you can or you come across different components combined together. They are physically combined and you can separate it. So here the word physical and chemical is very important. If they are physically combined, you can separate it. If they are chemically combined, you cannot separate it. For example, if I give you paper pieces and chalk piece powder mixed together, you can easily separate paper pieces from chalk piece powder. These are physically combined. Coming to the next category, if I take the paper, burn it, make it as a powder, and then add chalk piece powder with it, will I able to separate it? Absolutely not. So this is because it is chemically combined. So I hope you have understood the difference between physically combined and chemically combined. So simply mixture can be defined as the components or the substance which is made up of different components which are physically combined and they can be separated. Now let us also see the slide where you can understand the definition of mixture very clearly. Here we go. So as you can see here, mixture is a combination of two or more substances in which each pure substances retains its individual chemical properties. What does it mean? Yes, mixture is simply it is combination of two or more components. What else is given here is retains its individual chemical properties. For example, simply if I take a salad where you can find cucumber pieces, onion, tomato, beetroot, as well as carrot. So this is also a mixture. Now, if I pick cucumber, it will have its own property, and if I pick a carrot, it will also have its own property. So, though these cucumber and carrot are in a mixture, they don't lose their property. They will have their own property. So, this is what it means retains its individual chemical properties. Right? So, I hope you have understood this. So, that's about the class, and we'll simply recapitulate whatever is taught. So, what we have discussed is matter.